My name is Serge Kimbel. I am CEO of the WEEECycling group, specialized in refining precious and critical raw materials. We are working the FutuRaM project and presenting a case study which highlights a new plant being installed in our industrial plant in Normandy, which is dedicated to increase the recovery of critical raw materials, CRMs. And that's specifically for a specific waste stream, which is electric and electronic equipment and small appliance and IT devices. To enhance evaluation of our project, we choose to apply to UNFC. We had an internal review of our project, but we sought on an independent and standardized expertise and perspective. So UNFC was offering exactly that. So providing a structured and transparent framework to assess our initiatives. The advantage of using UNFC have been significant. It represents a global and recognized approach endorsed by European Commission and supported by EU broader objective of strengthening CRM resilience. This methodology has not only validated our project current status or stage, but also enhanced, and it gives credibility within industrials and policymaking communities. Interestingly, applying the UNFC methodology and framework did not reveal unexpected results. Rather, it confirmed actually our initial assessment and strategic direction.